Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5385P. This is a 2017 Ram regular cab long box with 126K. This thing's a really good little work truck. Something like this makes a great addition to anybody's fleet, whether that be general contracting, painting, building maintenance, electrical contracting, plumbing and heating. Having a regular cab four-wheel drive long box in Saskatchewan is definitely awesome to have. Shelving here, ladder rack up top, which does house two separate ladders. Go back, again, nice big full long box. Cargo bed slide. Got a 1,500 pound capacity as well. Again, nice big shelving here. Yeah, four-wheel drive, 3.6 liter V6, super economical, reliable. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. There's also a power inverter in the center as well for charging those drill batteries or your phone on the go. Again, very nicely equipped. Something like this, again, make a great addition to anybody's contracting fleet. Again, stock number 5385, 2017 Ram half ton.